2022 on Powamoto. Subscribe today. Subscribe today. Powamoto. Oh shit, she's having fun.
To be more than a conqueror, you have to learn to enjoy the pain if you want to survive.
Powamoto! He's a legend! He's a dream! He's the man!
There once was a young rider who rode out into the Everglades seeking enlightenment. Upon his return, the universe spoke to him, inspiring him and energizing him, naming him Mr. Sky Champion. Let the Sky Champion share his energy and inspiration with you.
Daytona 2022, Daytona 2022, Daytona 2022. She doing it. Where you going? Moto, subscribe today. Oh yeah, Daytona 2022 on Powamoto.
Shake it to a little, shook me all night long, and I thought, damn, what a beautiful sight, and I'm gonna get to wake up in my shine.
To
He's the first one here, last one to leave. This guy loves it.
Yeah, we stay here.
That's what I race. Yeah. With my Z1000 and I beat it. 650E. Come race me, 650E. I told you on YouTube I'm Sky Champion from Powamoto. It's P-O-W-A Moto. P-O-W-A Moto. Powamoto. Power. Power. Say it right. Power. Have fun, bro. Have fun. The subscribers want to know where you're working.
Wing House.
Where?
Wing House.
What do you guys do?
Look beautiful.
got-
Look beautiful.
got-
Look beautiful.
You got cash out? Powamoto. Subscribe today. Powamoto. Hey, Bike Week 2022. Daytona, yeah. Powamoto. 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 Look, cash out. Cash out. Thank you.
And if you like this video, check out these other 2 similar videos, and I'll see you on the next one. We out!